Hi smart people, in this video we want to fix this problem. The question says calculate the mean deviation of the set of numbers 7, 3, 14, 9, 7, and 8. So the first thing you need to do is to introduce the formula for mean deviation. And what's the formula? Mean deviation is equal to, we have sigma summation of absolute value of x minus x bar, and then divide that by n. All right, so let's simplify this particular formula we have here. Sigma is talking about the summation of all the set of numbers given to us, and then x is talking about each of these numbers given, each of them, that is for x, and then mean, we need to calculate for mean, obviously. N is talking about the total number we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means n is representing 6. Now, what about this mean, this bar x? It means mean. That's the meaning of that bar x. And what does this mean? Keep in mind, mean is different from mean deviation. Of course, this is the formula for mean deviation. For mean, which is by x, the formula is sigma x is sigma x over n. That is summation of x. What is this x? I told you x is each of these values you have here. So to sum up all this value, which is this, it becomes 7 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. Divide all that by 3. By n. What is this n? Is the total number we're having here, and this is 6. So by x, which is the mean, will be the summation of this number. So let's add that number in 1 second. So we have 7 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. And then the result we have there is 48. So this becomes 48 over 6. And if you divide 48 by 6, obviously you should have 8. Let's be sure of that. And this gives us 8. Therefore, by x, which is the mean, is 8. So how are we going to substitute this in and then solve this problem? It's quite very simple. We can as well apply the tabular method. I will do that in the next video. And let's just solve this directly. So the mean deviation will be equal to sigma of this, means summation of whatever it is you have here. Keep in mind, set x is for each of these values. So you're going to treat them one after the other. So the first number we have there is 7. Keep in mind, this absolute value needs to be there. So we have 7 minus by x, which is the mean. That will be 8. We're done with that. The sigma notation that is there is telling you that you're going to add all of these things you're going to be doing right now. Is that okay? So the next number we have there is 3. So we have 3 minus 8, which is the bar x you're having here, plus the next number we're having is 14. 14 minus 8 plus, next one is 9 minus 8. The next one we have there is 7 minus 8. And the final one we have is 8 minus 8. All right, you divide the whole of that by your n. What is n? Is the total number we're having here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have it dividing by 6. So MD, which is the mean deviation, will be equal to, all right, let's add up whatever it is we have in the absolute value or the modulo sign. So 7 minus 8 will obviously give us negative 1, plus 3 minus 8, that will be negative 5, plus 14 minus 8. Let's get that fixed immediately, so we'll be on the same page. That will be 6, plus 9 minus 8, that will be a 1, plus 7 minus 8, negative 1, and then 8 minus 8, that will be 0. Divide by 6. All right, hope it's getting easier. So what is the next thing you need to do? You need to sum up this. Keep in mind, when we talk about absolute value of a number, when we have the absolute value of negative 3 is the same thing as positive 3. If you have the absolute number of a positive number, it will still give you positive number. So any number that goes in that is negative automatically becomes positive. That is how absolute values sign, those two parallel lines you're seeing. That's how it works, okay? So in this case, you have this negative 1 to be 1, plus negative 5 to be 5, plus 6 will be 6, plus a 1 plus 1 plus 0, and you divide that by 6. And if you sum up this, 1 plus 5, that will be 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and 12 plus 1, that will be 13, 13 plus 1, that will be 14. So you have 14 over 6. And this is an improper fraction. To keep this proper, you ask, how many times can 6 multiply to give 14? That will be 2 times remainder 2. So that 2 times becomes 2 whole number, remainder 2. That will be 2 over this 6. And then looking at the fraction you're having here, 2 over 6 can further be simplified, because if 2 goes into itself, that will be 1 time. 2 goes into 6, how many times? 3 times. So you have the final answer to be 2 whole number 1 over 3 to be the answer for this mean deviation. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and make sure to drop in the comment section if you want me to do a video on the tabular form for this, or the standard deviation, variance, any of the topic in statistics you're still facing challenges. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.